Good morning, students. How are you all? I think you all are enjoying my classes. So, children, are you practicing at home? In your last class, I have already completed the alphabets till Z in small hand. So, today I have to proceed my class. So, today I will start the class with missing letters. Yes, missing alphabets. These all I will do in small letters. So, children, let me start the class. Here I have taken, see, I have made 3 blanks. 1, 2, 3. So, today I will teach you till, you have to say me till, after E comes F. So, see, I have written here, this is which alphabet, children? So, revise it with me. It is A, small hand A. Then after A, what it comes? After A, it comes B. So, how to write B in small hand? See, make a standing line, then a curve. See, I made B. So, after A, then B. Then it is, what is this? C. Yes, this is C. So, after C, what it comes? Which alphabet, children? D. Yes. D. How to write D? Make a standing line, then opposite side curve, anti-clockwise way. So, if you forget any time, you will start from the beginning. This is A, B, C, D, E, then F. Yes, F. Today till F I will teach you. So, how we will practice at home? Let me show you. I am asking the parents to write the alphabets and make dash for them. So, parents, you will write like this. First, this is first time they will practice at home. You will write like this. First A. Then you will make a dash. Then you will write C. And again make a dash. Then in the next line, you will make E. Then a dash. Okay? And you will ask your kids to fill up these blanks. And you will notice that how fluently or easily they are able to write this alphabets without any obstruction or without any problem. So you will ask your kids to fill up. They will fill up like this. Here B, A, B, C, then D. After D, then comes E. You will write E in the second line. Then F. Okay? Till F. Because I will not start with all the alphabets. Till F. Okay? Part by part I will teach you. So likewise, I will give you homework. See? Homework. This is for the parents. I will ask the parents to write this heading for them. And you will write these 3 alphabets and make a dash between this. And you will ask your kids to fill up this blanks. Till F only you will tell them to fill up at first. Then in the next class I will teach them the rest of the alphabets. You will see that are they able to get habituated with the small hands or not, because small hands are very important. Okay, they are not getting mixed with the capital letters and small letters. You will also verify that. And kids, this is for you. Do practice at home. Please practice at home. Otherwise, you will not be able to get habituated with it. Do practice. So, the class is till today. Here I am ending. Thank you. Stay safe at home.